Right, hi guys. I took a long position today. I was initially short, and then I got out at I guess about break even, and changed my bias to going long. Where I took profit was somewhere around here. No, it was over here. I was busy at the time, and I saw us grab liquidity, and I just closed it. But as you can see, my target was hit. It's very nice, and I'll give you my analysis for the trade right now. And then you can have a look at the actual trade video itself in fast motion. Well, very nice. So where this bias came from for taking that trade is on the US dollar. I have a dollar analysis posted on the 8th of July on my YouTube channel. You can check that out. Okay, but basically looks like price came to exactly where I expected it to on the weekly. So the weekly ended here, closed below this gap. You can check out the analysis, but basically I'm anticipating this gap to be used as an inversion gap and this to be used as an inversion breaker. And it came pretty much all the way to where I roughly predicted, then started expanding down. And today was the day that I took a trade. So today is Tuesday, I believe. Tuesday, Wednesday. Now today's Thursday. Tuesday made the high of the week. Yes, very nice. Classic high of the week. Well, it's not the high of the week yet, but I have the anticipation that Tuesday or Wednesday would make the high. Okay, and we also had a daily SIBI here. We closed a bit above that, but you see over here this overlapping area. I'll highlight it in pink for you just for a second. This is a opening gap. Okay, so price did not even close in that area. Wick twice and started displacing back to the downside. So we started the day here, going to the 4 hour. We have a 4 hour inversion gap. Very nice. So that's anticipation of us coming into this weekly busy inversion gap and this weekly inversion breaker, and then making a new low with here as the target. Okay. The trade I took was slightly safer. I wasn't aiming for this particular low, just for the relative equal highs, which you will see in a moment. So we had a nice relatively equal highs up here, pierced a little bit up here. Yeah, that would be a nice target as well. And obviously it went and took that out. And we see on the lower time frame, relative equal highs here. So you see the relative equal highs. Okay, let's go down to the 5 minute, and we have a 4 hour gap here. I'll just show it to you quickly. Let it load. Okay, we traded into that 4 hour gap. I'm going to go to the 5 minute. That's the lowest time frame. On the 5 minute, we had price come here below the open, and yeah, I just market bought into that trade. So check out the trade video. You'll see my annotations on there. And yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, bitch so bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot. Girl, you too bad for me not to press you, yeah. Young fly nigga, I don't follow all these rules, yeah. Bitch, I'm making tunes, I ain't missing, I won't lose. Let's go to an island where the water around is blue. I got two bad bitches in the coop, 42 in the bottle, glasses on full too. Ain't no games, I ain't playing, I want you, yeah. Take a trip, let's go shopping, I got blues, yeah. We got options you can choose. Yeah, you want it, I can buy it, ain't no rules, yeah. I'm just saying, let me help you upgrade you, yeah. Fuck that nigga, he don't care about you, yeah. Girl, move on. He can't treat you like I do, my money too long. I got homies for your friends and we can group on. We are early, hit our shot like Curry. Bitch, I wanna shoot like